Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the chart.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
So the dollar index is teetering in the balance. It's holding the top of this channel. As we predicted, price may spend some time hovering over here. I really like this retest and rebound upwards. I think this is really bullish. So we really expect price to go back up from here. But in the off case, there's a change in macroeconomic sentiments. The price could break back down into the channel and retest the mid channel. So let's talk about targets. For the bull case, the target we put out last week stands 97.5. Between these two red lines is a good place to take some profit off. For the bear case, if the macroeconomic situation clears up, there's clarity on when the Fed would raise rates, and it better not be in January. If say the Fed says, they're going to bring forth the end of their tapering program in let's say March and then raise rates from there, I think we could see price break back down in the short term. However, if it continues to be extremely uncertain, then we're going to see like chopping, right? If the Fed says, we're going to raise rates in January, then fuck, this is going up straight away. So we'll see what happens, right?
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.